Akulka's mother grasped Malasha and gave her a knock on the nape of her neck. Malasha began to howl, and her mother ran out of the house. Why do you strike my daughter? She began to scold her neighbor. One word brought back another, and the woman began to quarrel. The men too ran out, and a big crowd gathered in the street. All were crying, and nobody could hear his neighbor. They scolded and cursed each other. One man gave another man a push, and a fight had begun. When Akulka's grandmother came out, she stepped in the midst of the peasants and began to talk to them. What are you doing, dear ones? Consider the holiday is a time for rejoicing and see what is you are doing. They paid no attention to the old woman and almost knocked her off her feet. She would never have stopped them if it had not been for Akulka and Malaysia. While the woman exchanged words, Akulka wiped off her dress and went back to the puddle in the lane. She picked up a pebble and began to scratch the ground so as let the water off into the street. While she was scratching, Malasha came up and began to help her. She picked up a chip and widened the reel. The peasants has begun to fight just as the water went down the reel toward the place where the old woman was trying to separate the men. The girls ran, one from one side of the reel, the other from the other side. Look out, Malasha! Look out! Shouted Akulka. Malasha wanted to say something herself but could not speak for laughter. The girls were running and laughing at a ship which was bobbing up and